presiding judge in the Tesha Miller trial, to begin case review on Monday of next week.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Trial Judge Justice Georgiana Fraser will on Monday, the 2nd of December, begin her summation of the evidence presented in the trial of Tesha Miller, who is accused of ordering the 2008 murder of then chairman of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, Douglas Chambers. This comes after attorneys made closing arguments to a 7-member jury on Thursday, the 28th of November. A senior deputy director of public prosecutions urged the jury to believe the testimony of the Crown's star witness, who claimed to have once been a member of the Spanish Town-based Klansman gang. The prosecutor told the jury that there was merit in bringing a confessed gangster and not an angel to testify. The best person to tell you and identify a criminal and criminal activities is a criminal, the prosecutor said. The witness, the prosecutor argued, accepted his punishment even though he had accepted a plea deal. During the trial, which began on November the 13th, it was revealed that the witness had entered into a plea deal with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to testify against Miller, using the Bible handed to witnesses for swearing on in the court. The prosecutor read from Luke 5 verse 32, which states, "I have not come to call the righteous, but sinners to repentance," likening this call by Jesus to the plea deal given to the witness. She also pointed out that the witness could at any time withdraw from the agreement without giving a reason. However, Bert Samuels, the attorney for Miller, asserted that the witness could not be believed. He argued that the witness was said to be an accomplice and also had an interest to serve because he got rewarded to say what he did. Samuels also told the jury, comprising 6 women and a man, that each time he caught the witness lying, he sought to explain himself. Fanciful excuses and excuses that don't make sense. Throw them through the window, he instructed the jury. He told members of the jury that there was only one fair verdict, not guilty. Samuels also told them that he knew they were wrestling with the fact that Andre Bryan, also known as Blackman, had been acquitted of Chambers' murder. But one of the jurors could be seen shaking her head in disagreement. Earlier in the proceedings, Miller professed his innocence in an unsworn statement from the dock. "I have never sent the witness or anybody to kill the JUTC man. I have never sent anybody to Cayman. I honestly swear that I don't know nothing about this, and I am innocent," he said. He earlier denied knowing the witness, saying, "I don't know the witness. First time I see him is when him come court to give evidence against me."
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.